Hi everyone, we are going to work on written practice pages 88 and 89. We're going to do 1 through 3 and then we're going to skip and do 6 through 12. So we'll go ahead and get started on number 1. So number 1 says, for recess, 77 students chose to play outside and 19 students chose to play in the gym. How many students were playing at recess all together? So since it says all together, we know we're going to add. So we need to add 77 plus 19. So 77 plus 19, make sure and line up the 10s and the 1s. 7 plus 9 is 16, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 96. So there were 96 students playing all together. Okay. Number 2. 5 of the 12 students had no homework to take home on Friday. How many students had homework to take home? Okay, so we've got 5 students with no homework, plus we don't know how many students with homework, and we know there's 12 students altogether. Okay, so if we want to figure out 5 plus what equals 12, we're going to do 12 minus 5 equals, and 12 minus 5 equals 7. So 7 students had homework to take home. All right, number 3, use words to write the number 913. All right, so we have to write 913. So we write 9, and then we write 100, no and then we write 13. Okay, all right, let's skip to 6 through 12. So number 6 has an A and a B, and we are doing some comparisons. So A, we are comparing 413 to 314. And we have to decide, is 413 greater than or less than 314? And 413 is greater than, we can tell because there's a 4 in the hundreds place. Okay, and then we have B. We have -4, and we have to compare that to +3. Okay, so if we think about our number line, we know the negative numbers are further to the left, so they are less than. So less than, -4 is less than +3. Okay, number 7. The numbers 7, 9, and 16 form a fact family. So we're doing 7, 9, and 16. And it says write 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts using these 3 numbers. So we would have 7 plus 9 equals 16, and 9 plus 7 equals 16. We can put them, change the order because of the commutative property. Then when we're doing the subtraction facts, we have to begin with the greatest number. 16 minus 7 equals 9, and 16 minus 9 equals 7. You can have these facts in any order as long as there's 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts with these 3 numbers. Okay, and then we have number 8. Number 8 has an A and a B, and there are number lines. For A, our number line has 70, 80, and 90. Okay, So we've got 70, 80, and 90. 80 in the middle, and 90. And we can tell by the tick marks that they're counting by twos because there's 5 sections. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tick marks between 70 and 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 tick marks between 80 and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have our arrow pointing at the second tick mark between 80 and 90. Okay, so we have 80, and we're counting by twos. 82, 84. Okay, so this one is 84. All right, and then our second number line, we have -10, 0, and 10. Okay. So we have -10 on this end, 0 in the middle, and 10 on this end. So then we see there's 1 tick mark between those, so then we know we are counting by 5s. Okay, so here the arrow is pointing here, right? So if we're counting by 5s, in between 0 and -10 would be -5. So -5 would be there where the arrow is. So the answer to B is -5. Okay, then we have number 9. Okay, number 9 is on the next page. And number 9, we are adding a money amount. So be sure to line up your dollar signs, your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. We've got 475 plus 332. Okay, and then we're going to add. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, so we have to carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So the answer to number 9 is $807. Okay, and then number 10, we're also adding a money amount, so be sure and line up your dollar signs, hundreds, tens, and ones. So for number 10, we're adding $714 plus $226. All right, so we've got 4 plus 6 is 10, so carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer to number 10 is $940. Okay, I'm going to turn my paper over to do number 11 and number 12. All right, so number 11, we are adding again. So 743 plus 187. Make sure that you line up your hundreds, tens, and ones. 3 plus 7 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13, carry the 1. And then 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. So the answer to number 11 is 930. And last one, number 12, we're adding again, 576 plus 228. Okay, make sure your hundreds, tens, and ones are lined up. 6 plus 8 is 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So the answer to number 12 is 804. And that's it for this written practice.